In this video, we will explore on how to make real money on Monopoly Go. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright guys, so quick disclaimer. It is important to be aware that it is very difficult to make a significant amount of money from the Monopoly game itself. But it does mean you can still earn real money from Monopoly Go, and there are like two methods on doing so. First, on top of my mind is winning tournaments, because as we all know, or for those who doesn't know, Monopoly Go regularly hosts tournaments right here, where players can compete for cash prizes. So these are their real Monopoly money, should be broken down in the following ways. Alright, so 30 is equivalent to $5 bills right here. And of course, if you're feeling flush, you might prefer to play with the full amount in full dollar values, alright? And the top players in each tournament will win a share of the prize pool, alright? And before you start, you need to decide the rules and who contributes what to the total, alright? So, here, Monopoly can cause enough arguments between family and friends when played for fun, but adding real money is potentially looking at a much feastier scenario, right? So, and again here, if you think you're really good, like I said, you join a Monopoly tournament, because that's one of the ways to earn real money from Monopoly Go, right? And the last championship held in 2015 had a grand prize of $20,000, $20,580, and that's definitely one way you could play Monopoly to win real money, right? So that's one method. The next method that I have on my mind is essentially go to some Monopoly Go marketplace, all right? Because on Monopoly Go, players usually buy and sell in-game items such as property, cards and dice. And these items can be sold for real money on the Monopoly Go marketplace. There are a lot of trading places, stickers and whatnot. But you have to realize that Monopoly Go marketplace is very competitive. I went one time in the marketplace, and it can be difficult to sell items for a profit. And of course, Monopoly Go charges a commission on all sales made on the marketplace. So basically, in a nutshell, it's possible to earn real money from Monopoly Go, but it's important to be realistic about your expectation. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.